Okay, so we back with another Satisfiction box. Did I forget to cancel my subscription again, or that it was going to reactivate when this one shipped? Perhaps. Let's not mind my business. What up, Search fam? Sade here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Sade, and I'm out here curating and co-creating a cool ass life and unboxing bookish things for the people. So whether this is your first time coming across my little corner of the internet, or you keep coming back and have not hit that subscribe button, what you waiting for, boo? Go and do that. Cost you nothing, but it means a lot to me. And turn on the notification bell. Be made aware of every time I post new videos, which is usually on the weekends. Let's not delay. It's already open. I'm waiting for y'all. So this is the original box for Satisfiction. They recently had to go up on their price. So I think it is now 75 or like 80. It's like 80 with shipping, which is fine. This is the only box that I get every now and then. And of course, you know, the things that come inside the box, this is not the first time we've done this. You get the cute little thank you card with the name on it. If it'll focus, there you go. So you get your thank you card. You get your what's inside the box. But we're not going to talk about that. We don't need that. We just want to see what's in it. And then, of course, I love the coloring because green is my favorite color. But boom, there you go. And I forget to snap photos of it. So maybe I'll do that. Okay. Ooh, it smells good and very clean. What do we have here? So what comes in the Satisfiction box, for those of you all, it might be your first time watching me unbox this, is that it is a bookish wellness box. So you get a number of things to have, like a spa night and read a good book. It's very cute. I love it. It gives you BIPOC authors and things like that. So what is this? This is a pedicure. Okay, it's a pedi in a box. And it's vitamin recharge with organic olive oil and vitamin C. So it has a foot soak, a sugar scrub, and a massage butter. That's really cute. Okay, I'm not mad at that. That's adorable. And it says it's vegan, clean. We got another shower steamer, which is great because if you don't have a bathtub, you can still like get, you know, your spa experience. And this is citrus mint. It smells good. So I'm excited about that because I love a good citrus and mint. What do we have here? Got hyaluronic acid, multivitamins, and aloe rescue repair serum by Natural Outcome. This too is vegan, cruelty free, mineral oil free, fragrance free, and paraben free. And it's a 1 ounce bottle, which is cool because I needed a new serum anyway. So perfect. Love that for us. The candle is Fantasy Amber Cypress Music. And look at that. That's a beautiful. And usually I just noticed last time I unboxed this that the labels for the candle usually go with the cover for the book, which is cute. Oh, that smells great. Oh, it's sweet and kind of creamy. I love the smell of amber anyway. Yeah, that's nice. It has sort of a more deeper and rich scent to it. So I'm gonna enjoy that. That's lovely. And then you have 2 sheet masks, regular sheet masks. One has collagen in it. And there we go. And then the other is pomegranate. So it's like you could use these all for one day of spa for like 2 sheet masks or whatever. So that's very cute. And then finally we got the book. I don't know what book it is because I don't think we ever get a sense of the book before we get it, which is fine by me. What is that? Oh, okay. Cute. This was on my TBR. I love that for me. Okay, so the book is Blood Moon by Brittany S. Lewis, and it comes with a page insert sheet. I never know how to use these things, maybe it's because I'm old. And then you get a book signature sticker and a bookmark. I love that. Oh, the book is beautiful. And so that's the book. And like it's got sprayed edges. This is gorgeous. I'm super excited about that. And then the back says everything is a sign, everything is a warning. And let me pull up the synopsis because I don't actually remember what it's about. But when I saw it on the Hoopla, I put it on immediately on my TBR room. 18-year-old Mira Owens grew up in Timber Plains, Kansas, hearing about the local legend, that werewolves had many years ago traveled to their small Midwest town to protect humans from the growing threat of a vampire enclave. Just as a story, of course, a fairy tale, one Mira stopped believing in when she was young, just like she stopped believing in the idea of her mom returning after she up and left without a trace when she was 13. Mira is grown up now, starting her freshman year at nearby Lakeland University. College feels normal, exactly the thing she's been craving most, except for one particular classmate, Julian Santos, a mysterious boy with long hair, golden eyes, and a coldness that seems directed exclusively at Mira for reasons she can't understand and he won't explain. When Mira receives an unaddressed letter from her mother, she's told the world isn't as it seems. She suspects her mom might be telling the truth when she stumbles across a strange animal tracks on a hiking trail and when she's miraculously saved from a 20-foot drop by the one and only Julian Santos. The problem, Julian would have had to jump the length of the cliff to catch her, making him incredibly fast and strong beyond belief. When she confronts him about this, he denies everything. But when a blood moon rises, Mira finds herself caught in the middle of an ancient magical war with Julian on the other side of the line. She discovers there's much more truth to the old town legends that she could have never anticipated, and her family's historic role in it will change her world forever. Blood Moon is a dark and thrilling, intensely romantic ride, a fresh take on a werewolf love story for a new generation of paranormal romance readers, and is the first book in a series. It is set against a high-stakes paranormal backdrop, a world ripe with secret identities, rich supernatural lore, and a forbidden romance that comes with a deadly bite. Okay, that's cute. So when I'm going to get to reading that, good question. But I'm excited. I'm excited about this because I was going to read this anyway. So hopefully it is good. So I keep the book. If not, I might, give it away, sell it, whatever. But that's the Satisfiction box. I usually am quite satisfied with these boxes, which is why I maintain my membership and don't get too pissed when I when I forget to postpone for a cycle or two. And I love, it's small Black woman-owned business, so I'm gonna stand beside her. As always, friends, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend about the channel. See you in the next one. Bye.